is Elle Chanel and I'm back with another video. So today will be a Hey you guys, it's Elle Chanel and I'm back with another video. Today will be a Pride inspired look because we are towards the end of the month of June, and if you don't know, it is Pride Month. So happy Pride Month to everybody. I am a part of the community, and right now it's so crazy because I'm looking at Lyric. I am Lyric Dollface. I'm looking at her blog. She just did a Pride inspired look, so I was just like, wow, that's so ironic. That's what I'm about to do. So anyway, my look is inspired actually by Mac Daddy. Mac Daddy, he did this wonderful look. It's not really over the top. It's just, I'm not gonna look crazy when I go to work. Let's put it like that, because I feel like I don't want to, like, you know, the rainbow has a lot of colors anyway, so if I do it this way, I won't look like bow. My lashes are already gonna be like bow, so I need my eyeshadow to be like, you see it, but it's not like, you know, jumping at you. So this is the look that I'm going for. Is it focused? Yes it is. So you see that rainbow detail under his lash line? I'm going for that. Yeah. I don't know what he had on his lid. It looks like really like nothing, but I'm gonna do something on the top of my lid. And yeah, so I guess this will kind of be like a talk through video. I never really do that, so today I'm gonna do a talk through video. And yeah, and as you can see, my background is different. I know my background changes a lot, but pretty soon it'll be, you know, pretty soon that'll change. We're focusing on Pride, and yeah, I don't have any hair, but you'll see me do my hair. You won't see me do my hair. You'll see me do my hair in another video, because I'm gonna have a hair video that'll be right behind this video. They're gonna be back to back. Thanks for watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm gonna use the Kiss New York Professionals top brow pencil. It's in the color brunette. This is like my favorite pencil. It's like the dupe for the MAC Spike pencil. I know that's everybody's favorite, but look, I do my brows all the time, and I'm not gonna use a brow pencil every day and spend $20 every 2 weeks. That's dead. So cheaper dupe, you can get it from a beauty supply. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna take that and clean my brows. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna clean up my brows with that. This is the shade Fawn. I'm placing this all over my brows because this will be my primer. This is going to be my base. This is what I'm going to use to prep the eyes before the eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and just blend it out because it looks kind of streaky. Okay, so the first color I'm going to start off with is this brown shade. It's in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Here it is. It's like a reddish brown. That's going to be the first color that I use in my crease. So I'm using an oldie but a goodie. It's called the Artist Palette from Anastasia and Beverly Hills. It came out like years ago, but I need this color called Butterfly. I need that color, and I need this color too. Once I do the rainbow under my lash line, I need those. So I'm using the old palette. Now I'm gonna take that same brown that I used and just go back in and add a little bit more color into that crease. Honestly, like that shade Butterfly is kind of patchy, so I might have to use a different color because I'm not liking how that's coming out. It's real patchy. I'm gonna try Kizzy from the Juvia's Place palette. That right, oh, all right. Tap that right over that. Also from that palette, I'm gonna use Nana or Nana, whichever one this is. I'm sure it's probably like Nana. I'm gonna use that. I'm using my favorite liquid liner. It's by NYX. It is the matte liquid liner. I always use matte. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way and Butterscotch. Now typically I use a mattifying primer on my nose, like in my T-zone area, but honestly speaking, like I feel like when I use a mattifying primer, sometimes I just get oily faster during the day than I do when I don't use a mattifying primer, or you know what I'm saying. But I will let y'all know I did already use some moisturizer, and it was by Clinique. And also I did use my Mario Badescu rose water spray, so I did prep before I did this. So I didn't just do nothing, but I'm not putting on any mattifying primer on my nose. And for foundation, I'm going to use my NARS foundation in the color Macao. It is the Natural Radiant foundation, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush and buff that right on out. And on my forehead, I do not highlight my chin. I just don't feel like it's needed. For me at least. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and just blend that right on out. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques I'm gonna use my Real Techniques Instapop brush and just blend that concealer right into my foundation, because you want a non-detectable blend. You want it to kind of like seamlessly blend into your foundation. The powder I'm going to use to set my concealer is going to be the Sacha Buttercup powder. It's a loose powder, and I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge and just pat that right in. Now, just to add just a tiny bit more brightness, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in the color medium tan. For my all over powder, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC50. I'm just lightly dusting that all over. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance contour palette in a medium to dark palette. Yeah, medium to dark. Contouring my cheeks with my Real Techniques brush. I'm bringing that up into my forehead. I'm just going to use a little bit, just a little bit of the darker shade in that palette. Right there. And that's it. I just came to dance, that's it. Sometimes you gotta bring that mirror a little further away from your face so you can see. Alright, so we're gonna take that LA Girl Pro Concealer. Not LA Girl Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Primer stick. And we're gonna line right under that lash line. So the first color I'm gonna use is this yellow. It's called Fresh in that Artist palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the first one I'm gonna use. But actually, before I do that, let me put some Mercier translucent powder under my eyes, because I don't have time for the fallout. That way, if you apply this and you have any fallout, you could just dust it right off. It's gonna come off. The fallout eyeshadow will come off right with the loose powder. So alright, so we got the first color down. I'm gonna put some of this orange on, some of this orange. I'm gonna use this orange right here. This color right here, it looks like red, but it's not really red. It's kind of like a is red. No, it is kind of red, but it's like it has like pink undertones. Wow. And the green that I'm taking is from, actually it's from the electric palette. The Urban Decay electric palettes. That one. It's called Freak. Okay, Freak. And then I'm gonna use this blue. It's called Chaos. That green to blend it. And then the last color I'm gonna use is this purple right here. It's called Urban. And then I'm just gonna apply that mascara. The Perversion mascara. Stuff. Alright, so for my lip, I'm going to use this NYX lip liner. It's in the color brown. I'm just going to use this clear gloss by Dip Lips Cosmetics. I love this gloss. It's so smooth. It's not really sticky. It's not too thick. It feels really good. Alright, and so that's the finished look. I'm gonna come back with my hair on. And make sure you watch my other video because I will be showing you all how I curl my wig and style my wig on my head. So stay tuned for the next video. And just wait till you see how it looks with the hair. That's the end of this look. Now that I've thrown my hair on, you see the complete look. I got this top, this rainbow top for Pride a few years ago. I feel like it would be perfect for this video. And so, yeah, I just wanted to, I thought I would compliment my look. So, threw it on. Anyway, thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.